nation. The stripes represent the 13 states. The red is the blood shed by the brave. The white is the virtue forever our aim. The blue is the faith in God, American trust. Thank you.
The national flag of the United States, often referred to as the US flag or the American flag, it consists of 13 equal horizontal stripes of red alternating with white. With the blue rectangle in the canton, it referred as Union, and it consists of 50 white small 5-pointed stars arranged in 9 offset horizontal rows, where the rows of 6 stars alternate with the rows of 5 stars. The 15 stars on the US flag represent the 50 US states, and the 13 stripes represent the 13 British colonies that declared independence from the Great Britain, which they obtained in their victory in the American Revolutionary War. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Now here comes Pawan to tell us about the President of US.
President, the 46th and current President of USA is Joseph R. Biden. Do you know, friends? The first President of USA is George Washington. Thank you.
Thank you, Pawan. Now here are some of my friends to tell us about national symbols of America.
National tree. America has the grandest tree on earth, the oldest, the longest, some of the most magnificent. America has an official tree, the oak. Thank you.
The national bird of USA is Pardigal. Thank you.
The national flower of America is rose.
National fruit of America is blueberry. Blueberry are considered as superfood and can help to maintain healthy bones. Thank you.
The United States dollar is the official currency of US. Friends, please notice $1 dollar is equals to 83.26 Indian rupees. Thank you.
The United States does not have its official language, but traditionally, the mostly commonly language spoken is English.
Historically, the national sport of America is baseball. Thank you. Traditional music of America is rock and roll and hip hop. Thank you.
Weather of America. The climate of United Nations is highly diverse, ranging from tropical conditions in Florida and Hawaii to Arctic and alpine conditions in Alaska and across the Rocky Mountains. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. To understand the US geographically, here comes Bhumika and Dipashri to tell us information about it.
Location. The USA is located in the continent North America. It also shares the boundary with Canada and Mexico. Area with an area of 9.53 million kilometers square, it stretches across Atlantic Ocean in west and Pacific Ocean in east. Thank you.
Natural resources. America has the world's largest resource of coal. This abundant source of energy helped fuel US growth during the Industrial Revolution. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Now I call Aishwarya to tell us history of USA.
American history is composed of many stories. It is the story of war, conquest, and many political experiments. The history of the land that became the United States began with the arrival of first people in the Americas around 15,000 BC. Numerous indigenous cultures formed and many saw transformation in the 16th century. Thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Now here is my friend Jagruti to tell us about some facts about USA.
Let us go through some interesting facts about USA. The largest space office. USA has the largest space office, the Pentagon, which is the headquarters for the Defense Department. Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and a businessman who was described as America's greatest inventor. He invented and designed many inventions. For example, sound recording, motion pictures, and many more. Thank you.
Thank you, Jagruti. The relationship between the
United States and India is the most strategic and consecutional of 21st century. The United States supports India's emergency as the leading global power and partner in promoting Indo-Pacific region. Now here is my friend Amulya to conclude our class assembly.
India and USA has both shared a lot of principles together. Both the countries believe in sovereignty and also in free and fair trade at the international standards, and also in solving the disputes together. In fact, India and USA are both a good countries. India and USA are both good at solving disputes together. In fact, India, which is also known as the best defense partner of USA in the year 2016. Therefore, India and USA supports each other. Thank you.
Thank you, Amulya. Thank you.